नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इंग्लिश लीगल 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनिटचे डिक्टेशन घेणार आहोत. बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. The short question raised in this petition is as to whether the subdivisional magistrate was right in cancelling the license to run a fair price shop issued in favor of the petitioner as affirmed by the commissioner in appeal under the provisions of the UP Schedule Commodities Distribution Order 2004, read with the government order dated 28/10/2002. The petitioner was granted a license to run a fair price shop under the government order dated 28/10/2002, which was then prevalent in the year 2003. This was done according to the petitioner under a valid resolution of the Gram Sabha to run the shop in the village in question. The charges of mal distribution were brought against him, coupled with the charge of having concealed the fact that his father was already a license holder of a fair price shop of another village, which disqualify the petitioner for a license under clause 10 of the government order dated 28/10/2002. An inquiry was conducted with opportunity to the petitioner, who, apart from defending the charges of the ground of improper produce appointed during inquiry, went on to urge that since he was living separately from his father, he did not suffer any such disqualification as alleged aforesaid. It was also contended by the petitioner in his reply that the documents which he wanted to support his stand were lost on his way to the subdivisional magistrate's office. Relying on the extract of the family register, it was pleaded that the petitioner's family has been shown separately from that of his father, and as such, it is urged that the conclusion drawn by the subdivisional magistrate as affirmed by the commissioner are erroneous. In short, since the petitioner is separated from his father, therefore he does not belong to the same family as per the government order dated 28/10/2002, and therefore he does not suffer from any such disqualification. The prayer is to accordingly quash the impugned orders as they proceed on erroneous assumption of law and fact. Next para. Learned counsel for the petitioner has reiterated the submissions that were advanced before the authorities below, and has invited the attention of the courts to the extract of the family register appended to this read petition to support the stand of segregation of the family status of the petitioner. He contends that once the petitioner is recorded as the head of separate family, and the petitioner claims to be living under a separate roof in a distinct household, the authorities have committed an error in constructing the provisions adversely against the petitioner. In response, learned standing counsel contest that the definition of separation of family and its interpretation under personal law or under special statutes would not govern the definition of family as occurring in the government order dated 28/10/2002. He urged that the word family has not been specifically defined, but in view of the purpose of the order governing grant of license of running a fair price shop, the widest possible meaning should be construed. Stop.